So when we talk about what is patentable subject matter and what isn't, this is something that changes all the time. It's kind of like if you get out on a basketball court and you shoot the basketball toward the hoop, in the year and a half to 2.5 years that ball is going to travel toward the hoop before examination, the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office, they may shrink the size of the hoop, they may expand it, or they may just pick up the entire portable basketball net and move it 6 feet to the side so you miss it completely. So it's probably the most frustrating part of writing utility patent applications is you really don't know what your target is until it's examined, and sometimes that target is going to be very different. So there are a few key decisions. The KSR versus Teleflex case, patent allowance rates were I think like 82%, 78%, something. It was just, I mean, basically anybody put any time into it could get a utility patent. And then after the KSR case, it suddenly plummeted to about 28%. And all of a sudden, you know, us patent attorneys, we started telling our clients, hey, your odds of getting a utility patent are really bad. Why don't you file just design patents now? And so anyway, the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office suddenly wasn't bringing in all the money. For those of you who don't know, the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office is one of the few governmental institutions that actually makes money. I mean, every year they make millions and millions of dollars that they dump into the Treasury. Can you imagine if the Department of Defense every year, oh yeah, here's $1 billion check we're going to put into the Treasury. We pay for all those warships and all the soldiers' salaries, and here's a bunch of extra money we can dump into the Treasury. Well, USPTO is one of those that dumps money into the Treasury, which is one reason why Congress occasionally gets in there and takes money, and then USPTO can't hire as many examiners and things like that. But that's for another another issue. So anyway, 35. I'm checking my screen for my cheat sheet here. 35 USC 101 patentable subject matters. The first question, and again, to get a utility patent, there are 4 laws you get around. 35 USC 101, is it patentable subject matter? 35 USC 102, did somebody invent it before you? 35 USC 103, is your invention a real one, or is it just a mere obvious improvement over somebody else's technology? And 35 USC 112, did the examiner understand what you said? You get by those 4 laws, you'll get a patent every time. But trust me, getting by those 4 laws is not as easy as it seems. And the first one, at least with utility patents, you have to deal with is, again, 35 USC 101. Is it patentable subject matter? And keep in mind that the course reading that I've assigned you here, it's probably going to be irrelevant in 5 years. So you've got to keep on top of what the laws are now and what the laws are going to be the next year, the next 2 years.